Tucker.
What's Tucker want? That's his little container at the top.
That's his container. That's his container at the top. The fridge, right?
And that up there too. He's looking at both of them.
That up there and that down there. What is it? Huh? What is it? Something you want? Huh? What you want? Is that what you want? Sorry.
Reach in and get something.
Aww. His face.
What does Tucker want?
I'll probably bite our hand off.
Oh, good boy.
He said I'm on camera. I gotta be perfection.
That's right. There's not much left. I ought to make more, but I'll wait till tomorrow.
His ears are all up like.
And see, this is breakfast.
That's breakfast.
That's breakfast.
Rio's like, it's mine. He'll stay there all day if he wants.
Oh, yeah.
He would never move if he didn't have to. Look at that. Sits there like, what? Then you just set this and he won't move. Make sure it won't hurt him. But see, he won't even move. He'll just sit there. And then if I come over here, all you see is his butt.
He's going to lay down. Oh, it closed on him. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? What happened, Tucky?
Like he's about to cry.
Oh.
Honey. You gotta move up there farther like that. Good boy. There you go. When he lays down, it closes.
No.
He just sits there like, whatever.
What? What?
What you doing, Tucker? Huh? What you doing? What you looking at? Huh? Oh. Here you go. What you looking at? Oh, there we go. Is this what you want? Is that what you want, baby? Oh. No. Look at this sweetie. There you go, pretty boy. No. Not all of it. Ow. Ah, no, sorry. Oh, what you be careful. Careful. Tucker's trying to squeeze him. Tucker's trying to squeeze his way into it. It's shutting slowly and he's just completely eyeing it. He won't move. If he sees you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I really am sorry. Oh, never mind. Yep, he's gonna sit there, aren't you? Sit there all day. He's in a very awkward position. What's he doing? What's he doing? Daddy. What you barking at? Who's it? Oh. Josie. Come on, what is it? Come on! Come here. Come, Tucker. Come here, come.
Up and down the
Tucker!
What are you trying to tell me?
What? What is it? What you want?